guys, Smoss Gaming here, and welcome back to a brand new video. There's a fire alarm tour of the Hilton Inn. Pardon my phone making all this noise, but whatever. Smoke detector. Wheel-lock RSS. I don't know what model pole station that is. No, Wheel-lock NS. What the heck? Let's go this way. We'll make separate videos of the elevators later. Trust me. Ooh. Anything in here? Nope. Oh, emergency lights. Wheel-lock NS. Ooh, look at all that. Where's the stairs at? And looks like we have a L1 MO1 something, and a new wheel-lock exceeder alarm. Ooh, stuff's getting real now. Anything in here? Of course, there's nothing in here. Let's go. Let's go on to level 2 now. Huh. Another wheel-lock NS in it. Unknown pole station. We have another wheel-lock NS, and it actually says the wheel-lock label on it. Alright. Smoke alarm and sprinklers. Another wheel-lock NS. Sorry I'm going so fast, but this is a big building, so I have to move quick. Ice. Iceman. Iceman. Okay, no. I ain't gonna make that joke. Wheel-lock NS and a fire alarm. Pole station. Oh, wow. Next level. Oh wow, this is a wheel-lock AS here, but that's super loud in this part of the. Then you got this. Okay, that's enough of the music. Wheel-lock NS. I wonder what code they would set this thing on, and I want to know what the heck the panel is. Does wheel-lock make panels? I like fire alarms, but I don't know much about wheel-lock. Well, I actually know a lot about wheel-lock. They make a lot of alarms, but not sure about pole stations. Another wheel-lock NS. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Something smells good. Is that a room? It's a room. Cool. Forgot which room mine is. Another wheel-lock NS. Look at this vacuum. Hoover commercial inside. I have to Google that later. And now on the edge here is a wheel-lock AS with that, I'm just going to call it an L1 pole because that's what the sticker says on it. Woohoo! 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 And 4, oh, smell my face. Oh gosh, it's on that one too. Oh, wait a minute, something missing? Nope, it's on the side of wheel-lock NS as normal, and then L2M50, whatever that means. Look out, whoa, we're kind of high up. Got a nice view of stuff. But anyway, guys, oh, no. There's custodians and maids everywhere. Crap. Forgot what's wrong. I guess this is the completed fire alarm tour. See ya.